I'm Elham Kazemi, and I'm a professor of mathematics education at the University of Washington.
I'm Jessica Calabrese. I've been a teacher, a coach, a principal, and the chief of school improvement in a local school district, and I'm the co-author of Learning Together.
I study children's mathematical thinking and how teachers learn to use children's mathematical ideas in teaching mathematics. This research has led me to think a lot about how teachers learn together to improve their craft. And once you study how teachers learn together, you become very interested in their schools as workplaces and how the school is organized to support them. So what do coaches and school principals do to support teacher learning?
From the principal perspective, or even the district leadership perspective, this work is special and powerful because it meets the teachers where they really are. Teacher learning traditionally is, you're not in your classroom, you're not with your team, you're actually somewhere else doing something someone thought would help you do your job better. This is the opposite of that. This is meeting teachers right in their teams, puzzling together with them. What are they working on? What is stumping them? What content knowledge is really missing for them that would help them better design the next step in learning for their students? And so together we've been working on how to create continuous routine in the course of their job, times to do that together with their principal, with their coach, in ways that make it continuous and seamless for the teachers to keep getting better at meeting their kids' needs.
What has excited me the most about this research is honestly how invigorating it has been to redesign the school workplace, use time more smartly for teachers to really get to collaborate on an ongoing basis, not because it's just a special event, but it's just part of their regular work. And you can feel people contributing to a community, not feeling isolated and alone, feeling part of a much larger vision of creating the kinds of classrooms that we want for our students.
Across all of the classrooms in the network of 6 schools that we have supported, I will say as a public school leader, it's hard. It's hard. Teaching is hard work. And seeing the culture shift that this created, where teachers look forward to coming to collaboration, bring their questions, wait and save their questions for the professional learning, that creates this energy and momentum where you're not exhausted by the next hard thing. You're ready to bring it to the group. There's a place to do that work together. I think that's the part that's the most exciting to me, because teaching is hard work. And if you have to do it alone and you don't have that automatic solution for, this is hard, what just happened? I know who to ask. They're gonna wanna know this too. And someone says, that happened to me too. It's an incredible thing to bring that culture to the children who deserve it. That's what kids deserve, is teachers who are working together and excited and not afraid of a hard thing, because they know what to do. They know where to come when it's hard.
To see the really rich and powerful ways that students and teachers work together, and to consider the ways that teacher education and professional learning can be designed to support teacher collaboration, you can go to TEDD.org. TED.org to access those materials that might support professional learning in your schools. You can also check out our book, Learning Together, written by me, Jessica Calabrese, Teresa Lind, Becca Lewis, Allison Fox-Resnick, and Lindsay Gibbons, to learn more about our partnership and the way that teachers, leaders, and students work together to support learning.